Inspired by the inputs from mechanical keyboard communities, EPOMAKER GK68XS is ready to make its debut. It's fully customizable, even for the spacebar. The spacebar can be customized as a single bar or a three-way split spacebar to increase speed, ease of pressing, and feel. It's compact, yet powerful. As a 65% layout, it's born to free up your desk space and boost your productivity with all essential keys. The GK68XS is hot swappable, so you can simply switch out the switches without any soldering. Gatoron switches and Cherry MX switches are both available. Cherry blue, brown, red, or black switches, you pick what you like. Being fully compatible with every operating system, you can easily switch from your laptop, smartphones, MacBook, and iPhone with just the flip of a switch. Make your keyboard your way. The GK68XS also features RGB lighting with 16.8 million LED colors, rhythm, and sound lighting combinations, with additional key programming and macro creation for 3 definable layers. Designed for versatility, the GK68XS can connect via Bluetooth or with the included Type-C USB cable. It is built with a solid CNC aluminum frame to ensure stability, which is specifically designed with a low profile for easy use, even without any wrist pads. Combining quality construction, premium components, and a comprehensive set of features for an uncompromised typing experience, the GK68XS is a perfect fit for every desk.